Alright, welcome to myHomeSpot.com, and today we're going to be looking at the public website given to each homeowner association or condominium association that we manage. Each page template is unique to the community. In this case here we've just applied one with a yellow background and blue infrastructure onto it. The website is an intelligent website that displays information in accordance to security groups and member access privileges there. So it's important that from a general public standpoint that the public only receives limited information about a particular community, that the members receive a higher level of information, and that the board of directors receive the highest level of information on the website as well. Now you can designate as within your community certain folks that will have access to be able to adjust items on a portion of the page, a particular page, or the entire website if you want to go as far as that as well. Every tab and feature on the website is completely customizable. Again, we can apply literally thousands of different templates in accordance to your community. So if you prefer a green background and a little cartoonish look, or something a little bit more homely feeling or a little bit more rural feeling, we can apply any of those templates that you deem appropriate. What we are going to demonstrate today is our free website that is offered to associations managed by myHomeSpot.com. At the top of each page you'll see the login and the register function here. Understand again that these menu items populate in accordance to the user's level of access. So we are not logged in currently, and as a result only have limited information. You'll notice too that there's a little button here called minimize, and what that does, it allows us to collapse information that is on the website. So as I expand this, we can see that there we have an announcement posted where there's a members annual meeting on Thursday, February the 12th, and it goes over our basic agenda here. I'm going to minimize that announcement. Here you're going to see general information related to the Hampton Lakes community. It says that they're billed twice each year in those amounts. Here's a link to their tax record, to the plat, to the covenants and conditions. It goes over the common areas that are offered by the association, goes over the 2009 board meeting schedule. Here, if you'll notice too, as we did on the announcement section, you're going to see a little printer icon. So instead of trying to print this entire page, it allows you to print only the contents of that particular page section. So that's good stuff. So here it would only print that particular notification. Alright, I'm going to minimize that. Oops. And let's get back to the website. Sorry about that. Alright, here you're going to see our governance documents that are available to the public. Again, that would just be the roadway agreements, the mailbox diagram, the plat map, CCRs, articles of incorporation. Here you're going to see the secure site access, which will take you into the user's perspective or the board of directors perspective in accordance to the site access for the online association management application. That application is a unique piece of software that is very intelligent to allow you and the management and the board of directors a single platform for communication and operations. Here we can see that our latest membership, we have 15 members registered on this demo site here. We have one visitor online, which happens to be myself, and currently we're at the home page. So you can see what pages your users are visiting as well while they're on the website. Here's our calendar of events by the association. Here we can go in and we can hit a list view. Doesn't look like anybody's posted anything. Alright, we go to our next page. Our leadership page. Here's all of our leadership contacts. Here's some additional links by the association. And now I'm going to go to the membership services page. On membership services, you're going to see approximately 38 different forms for the association administration. So for here example, under membership, That member can register themselves as a new homeowner, notify the association manager or board of directors that their property is a rental. They can update their contact information and change their address, get access to the community. Again, this depends on each community, but for a gate opener, a decal, or a pool or tennis key, reserve a common area, request occupancy approval, get a form filled out to list their home, tell the association that they've sold their property, purchase association documents and rules, ask the manager a question. Under getting involved, they can join a committee or task force, add an announcement to the website, add an agenda item, or request to speak at a meeting, and you can get the different flow of information. Under payment related, they can make a payment online by check or by credit card, schedule or stop auto payment of dues, change their bank account information if they're enrolled in that service, make a late payment and avoid legal action. Again, it's just a request. To request a waiver of a late payment or an NSF fee, so those members that say that the bill should have been received on time and for some reason they were charged a late fee, they can apply to the board of directors to get a request a reimbursement for an improved purchase, ask the accountant a question, request their account history, on and on. Covenants and rules. Members can report a violation that they've observed. They can request a violation determination hearing to contest a fine. They can dispute a violation letter, maintenance, and so on. So now I'm going to minimize the screen real quick, and I'm going to log in as a secure access back on the website. And let me type in the demo password here. And now I'm logging in. And now you'll notice that additional tabs have populated for me here. So we're on the records page because we've defaulted the system that if I'm a member to take me into the members page. But here you'll be able to see all the vendors that we currently use for the association and trigger dates like when the insurance expires, when the landscape contract expires, when the management expires, when the termite expires. All of that is kept on here. Then we have our financial reports. Here you can look, we've got our 08 budget, our 07 tax returns, the 2008 01 to the 2008-10 financial details. This association was previously managed during 2008. We took over in October, so we bulked up all the financial details in one single file. Every month we provide online financial reports to our board and to our memberships, and those are posted online. And then we've got our last 7 years worth of tax returns on there as well. Here we've got our board of directors meetings, so we put all of our 07 meetings on there, our 08s prior to November, and then any meetings that our company has provided for. Now when we do our meeting minutes, we'll have the agenda, any attachments used at that meeting, as well as the minutes of that meeting. Then we have our member meeting section. We have all of our contracts and policies, and then any member type of communication is posted here as well and archived within our systems. Any proposals that we accrued during the 2008 period were posted on there. Any current foreclosure documents that we've been served on from mortgage companies foreclosing on members are posted online. And then any termite services or notices, again, Anchor Pest Control happens to be a vendor that sends us notice, so we include all of that on there as well. So we invite you to take advantage of these websites that are provided absolutely free to you and your community, in so much that you're managed by myHomeSpot.com. Feel free to call us. Thank you much.